Do you want to increase the joy you experience in daily life? To live out what St. Paul calls us to in Philippians chapter 4, to rejoice in the Lord always. I'm Anna Saucier, and I'm a certified EFT tapping practitioner and Catholic emotional health and mindset coach. In this video, we're going to tap with EFT to explore what it looks like to bring awareness to the things that may hold you back from joy and how to increase your capacity for choosing and receiving more joy. Quick note before we get started. Even though we are humanly capable of choosing joy, we may stop ourselves from this. And that's not wrong or bad. It's a way of protecting ourselves in some way. For example, feeling like if I go all in on joy, I'm just going to be disappointed when something happens and I don't feel that joy anymore. So, invitation to be really gentle with yourself here. We're not here to fix you. We're here to invite greater awareness and acceptance so that we can expand our receptivity to God's graces. I may also use words that don't feel true to you. That's okay. You can change them or leave them out altogether. You can also refer to the How to Do EFT Tapping Guide, which is free for you to download from the link in the description of this video. We begin in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Beginning on the karate chop side of the hand, tap where I tap and say what I say. I don't feel the joy that I desire to feel. There are so many things that steal my joy. And I want to completely accept that this is where I'm at right now. I don't feel all the joy that I desire to feel. And I accept myself in this place right now. Moving up to the corner of the eyebrow. Life gives me so many reasons for anguish and anxiety. I feel every frustration, fear, suffering, and hardship. So many things rob me of peace and joy. I think I sometimes even protect against joy. I want to believe that I'm surrounded tightly in your love, Lord. To know the freedom of what that feels like. I want to choose to rejoice in you. To rejoice in every circumstance. How free would that feel? But I'm not there yet. I wonder what it would even feel like to feel unbridled joy. Like arms raised on the roller coaster. Or playing in the strong waves of the ocean. Really enjoying the present moment. And all of the feelings that come with it. To let my body feel without fear. In all the bumps, with the wind in my face, with the tears in my eyes, with the laughter in my throat, not bracing for the next crest or fall. In life, it's so easy for me to do that. I accept that this is a process of growth and healing. That asks a lot of trust of me. Am I ready for that? Sometimes I feel I don't even deserve joy, that I have to earn it, that I'm not worthy of deep joy. I know that's not your voice, Lord. I want to believe that I'm deeply deserving of joy. I want to feel the fullness of this life. What would it feel like to live life in that deep feeling of joy? I wonder what ways I guard against joy. I want to fully accept myself anyway. Do I feel anything in my body right now? I wonder what my body is ready to release. I wonder what I'm ready to release right now. I ask you, Jesus, to come into these spaces. Heal me from what takes my joy. Even when circumstances don't change. Please give me the grace to choose joy anyway. I choose to choose joy anyway. Am I ready to feel a little bit lighter? Am I ready to feel a little bit more free? Am I ready to feel a little bit more joy? I want to choose joy. I want to feel the joy of dancing. I invite my body to remember what that feels like. I choose joy. Let your arm relax. And just take a moment to invite some extra breath in with your next inhale. And you might feel like stretching or shaking out your body as you exhale, as you release that breath. Thank you so much for tapping with me, and subscribe for more from Tapping for Catholics.